guys, good morning. It is me. So it's about almost 11 a.m. It's 30th of March, and I really wasn't gonna upload anything maybe this entire a week or two, but I just woke up this morning. I was already contemplating doing that. I really was looking, I had ideas of videos I wanted to do. I didn't want to do a vlog again. I feel like people are already bored of that. I don't know why I said people like that a lot. Nobody watches me. But I just feel like maybe I shouldn't be redundant with the videos, posting the same kind of thing in a row like that. But I just really don't have any I don't know what to say. The video ideas I have at the moment, I just really cannot fulfill them. I can't do them for some reason. So I felt like I wasn't gonna do anything instead. I was just watching this Kora, I think that's her name, on YouTube, and she just made a whole 18 minutes of just talking about content creating and just the struggles and whatever. And basically she was just talking about how she has 130,000 subscribers and she still feels unfulfilled, not good enough. Are you kidding me? Counter opinion, I don't know if it's because I'm a very, very small YouTuber right now, but I just really feel like if I even get to 1,000, hell, right now if I even get to 100, I might actually celebrate. Seriously, it's I can't even imagine having 100 people watching me, not to talk of 130K. I just feel I get it. Maybe if I reach or attain to that level, I'll always feel oh yeah, this isn't good enough also, because there are always people doing better, I don't know, than you or something like that. So it's you always feel you're not doing it. I really just thought that, you know what, I'm not even doing this thing correctly. I don't even know how to, I did not to talk off, I have to record with my phone, so just having to keep it down and not able to use it sometimes, it's so it's uncomfortable. It's just painful. There are so many videos that I wanted to do that I'm still you know what, I just don't want to record my phone. I just don't want to record my, and so many people are doing that. So many people started that, and I actually doing good at this point, even able to going ahead to afford this other equipment that they need. So I don't know why I just don't know how to be that way. I just don't know how to be patient. I feel I'm just not a patient being. I've said I have patience, but I just don't know how to attain it. I feel I really try to, but then I just cannot. I just lose it. I try to literally train myself for it. In my head, I sit down and make conversations with myself about how I could be patient, how I could be more, but for some reason I just don't know how to actually implement it. It's hard, but I really want to put in more effort and everything. So basically, guys, this is gonna be so short. I'm not gonna bore anybody with 30 minutes long video. No. It's not happening. Today we are doing a very short, it's just gonna be a day, so I'm gonna try and make it as compactful as I don't know, as small as possible, just putting everything together. So I kind of wanted to do today. I kind of wanted to like rearrange my room. It's not rearrange it. It's literally just moving the bed to another to like a different direction in the room. I feel like so yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do because I feel like I just want change and I don't know what to do till I get it. So I'm just gonna like move the bed. That's like what I'm gonna, yeah. You know what? Let's just go and do this the room thingy. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So you guys are on the new tripod. This is the new tripod I got like a few days ago on Amazon. I told you guys I needed one, and this is really good. This has like the Bluetooth remote. You can like take pictures and all with it. So I was really glad that I got that. I just don't know how to vlog. Like I'm like such a bad vlogger. I swear. So let's go into the room and do this. So you guys can see, this is how it looks. So I just want to push the bed from there to here. Yeah. Ignore the that window. Like I just don't know why it's there. It's already such a big window here. I don't know why we need it here, but whatever. And it's so like light out. I needed to like do some DIY to just like make it a little bit darker. I don't like my rooms like when they're like light. I need it to be a little bit darker. So we're just gonna like push the bed now. I'm gonna put you guys down. Let's see. I just hope you guys will be able to see me because it's kind of hard. I don't know why they're on the light. It's like hot. welcome back. So this is still the same day. I mean, you know, I said it was gonna be like a very short vlog, so it is, promise. So 1 day vlog. So I don't know, the last thing you guys saw, the last clip was me cooking. So I ate, I showered, I did all that. It's 5:10 something, and I just got my order. I really thought it wasn't gonna come today. I was starting to be in like a very bad mood because they sent me this message in the morning and like it just didn't come all day. I was like, what the hell? But it's here. I just hope everything fits me because again, this is the first time I'm ordering from this. Wait, lips are really choppy. Okay, big lips, girls. Whatever. I'm going to show you guys everything. Because I'm really excited about this order. I just like wanted to order something that's like a bit comforting and just something I wanted. So I got this. It's just like a hoodie that says be the person your dog thinks you are. I don't have a dog. I don't even like dogs. Please don't come for me. But this is really cute. I mean, this is large. I really thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but it's okay. It's actually, I know the weather is like really hot, and I'm ordering. But like whatever, I wanted to. That's the and I got this kora set. I really like this actually off the bat. I can definitely wear this alone. And I can wear this. Wow, I'm actually gonna show you guys the fit. Weirdly, guys, this is burger here. I'm just gonna. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, guys. Just know that it's like a really good fit. It's really nice. I'm gonna try this. Let's see if it can. Okay. Alright. So this is a hoodie. Absolutely love it. These are the pants. With the matching thingy. I really glad it has the pocket things here. I love it. I love this angle. Oh my god. It says love me again. Yeah, I don't know why I got pink and purple and I don't know. This is like lilac, they said, not pink. So. But overall, I really love I really love the fit. I'm glad I didn't spend so much money for nothing. You know, so guys, I mean, it's not a vlog if you don't do an unboxing, and thank God it just so happens like it's the same day. So I'm just really glad. So since the last thing you guys saw, I haven't really done much. I was just sitting around watching a lot of YouTubers, and it's really helping me just like focus and just, what is this? Like, I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh shit, that exposure is too much. You know what? I am just gonna keep you guys up here. So, I don't know if you guys are like too close, but at least now you can hear me. So like I was saying, I really don't have much to do. I'm just like at home today. Wow, it's bad. I could just like brush it in, but no. So I don't know, I love this so much. I'm actually staying in it. I just wanted something like I can wear. Shit. I could wear like all day at home, cause like I'm not really like that hot at home. Like just sitting at home, so I just really love this. I mean, I think I wanted to try this site and see. And if I didn't mention, guys, it's an Instagram store. It's called BURGER.bae. I don't know. I just know it has something to do with burger. I'll just link it down below. And you guys can check it out if you want to. They have like cool stuff actually, but I don't know. Like I said, I was just like trying them out for now. So I only got like this 3 pieces and I like them. It is a little bit pricey. Not pricey, but there's just like a lot of Instagram stores that are a lot cheaper than this, I mean. But it is also very affordable. Honestly, it's not even that bad. Especially because like I see now that the quality is actually good. Like you get what you pay for, basically. I don't know, guys, if I'm like loud enough. I hope I'm loud enough because I just don't want to be too loud. I really love this. I love when I look at other clothes and they come out and like they fit me exactly how I think, because that's like really cool. Really cool. I don't know why I'm looking at my skin. Like, I just love it. I feel like it's just thriving. Especially my face. Hi guys, welcome back. So I was just editing the vlog and apparently I realized I didn't make an outro. So it's 11:15 p.m. I'm so exhausted. I just want to eat, get some sleep. Yes, I haven't eaten. Honestly, I'm too tired, so I'm just gonna like warm up my leftovers and eat that for the night and then just like pass out. I just finished editing the vlog. I still haven't done the thumbnail, which is really kind of stressing me out because I still suck at thumbnails and I really want to make like a very good thumbnail, but it's really hard for me. But I'm gonna try and see, like, whatever happens if I can make a good thumbnail, because I'm really proud of this video. So I want to see if I can get myself like a good thumbnail. I am getting better at this editing thing, but God, Instagram is still, you know what, no time for that. I'm tired. This is just an outro. Thank you so much. If you guys reached the end of the video, please like, subscribe, share. I know it's not really, but please just like and subscribe and come back if you're interested. And thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.